Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Outbound game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch arguments. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section. So here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and see if it's resolved the problem. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. But if this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics card. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to run the game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK. And after that, try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking means the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. Next is check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager. Now, under background process tab here, you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it and click on End Task. This will close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to search for graphics settings. Now after that, you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application. After selecting the application, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance and after that, launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. The antivirus programs can block the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle-free. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it, wait for some time. And after that, close this. Now restart your PC. After your PC restarts, log into the game once again and check. Next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for View Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings. Click on Advanced. Click on Change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. Select Custom Size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size, you have to type 24576. So after that, click on Set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Outbound game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall Outbound game and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So using these methods, you can easily fix Outbound game crashing, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen, or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.